Hello and welcome to the final day here at the Under-19 Boys Softball National Championships. Today we have our semi-final here between North Harbour and Canterbury. So the winner of this game will go through to play Counties Manukau in the final, and the loser will finish third here on the weekend. It's been a long weekend. We've started on Thursday, going each day. It's been very good weather here down in Canterbury, and now we find the home team looking to play into the final. North Harbour have had a good tournament, and this will be the second matchup between these two teams. Canterbury and North Harbour played in the round robin, and they lost. So North Harbour lost to Canterbury. It was 8-4 was the score, and that separated the group. So Canterbury finished first and North Harbour finished second. So North Harbour looking for revenge here. Going through the lineup. North Harbour will be batting first with Canterbury fielding first. So going through North Harbour's lineup from batting order, starting off number 3, Paola Kupa Nicola. Number 37, Will Singer, will be playing centre field. Number 29, Zach Atkins, will be DP today for North Harbour. Number 9, Xavier Haddon, will be playing out at right field. 25, Tangaroa King, will be playing left field. Number 13, Jaden Capsule, will be playing shortstop. 30, Demetrius Sandfield, will be catching today for North Harbour. Number 33, Noah Reid, will be playing first base. Tamatia Matatai Hiko Smith, will be playing out second. And pitching today will be Keegan Maguire for North Harbour. Subs for them will be 34, Morgan Natana Waiongi. Number 18, Kyle Tonkin. Number 1, Jack McGurbies. Number 8, Wairangi Hoani. And number 12, Cooper Watson. Canterbury side today will be batting order. Number 4, Jaden Potts, will be playing shortstop. Number 8, Bronson Harper, will be playing at second. Number 1, Rico Ratu, will be playing out at third. Number 6, Norkai Malmunch Taylor, will be playing centre field. Catching today for the Canterbury side will be number 2, Raumana Kumaroa. Daniel Dittmer will be playing out at first. Sam Gilchrist will be playing out at left field. 14, Josh Snellgar out at right. And number 12, Rykos Iosefo Star Wars will be the DP, with number 7, George Smith. Pitching today for the Canterbury side. Subs for Canterbury will be number 3, Devin Hardy. Number 9, Blake Knighton. Number 11, Maddox Renault. And number 5, Toby Smith. So should be a fantastic matchup here, nice and early in the morning here in Canterbury. So looking forward to that. So first pitch here will be a strike. So good start here for George. 0-1 for number 3, Paola Kupa Nicola. Pitch comes in a little low. 1-1. Swing and a miss there from number 3. 1-2 here is the count. Canterbury looking to win this game and face Counties again. They played Counties last afternoon. The connects with that one will pop up. The catches underneath it, just misjudged it. So still 1-2 count here. But yes, Canterbury lost yesterday to Counties Manukau in the 1-1 cross-play match. So they lost and now have to play here. Counties are awaiting the result of this game to see who they play in the final. Swing and a miss there for Paola. So 1 down for Canterbury, 2 more to get to the plate now. Number 37, Will Singer, also called Moose by his teammates. It's like right in the way. So pitch comes in, swings at it, will go straight to the second baseman, throws over the one, will be out. Nice, simple routine play there for Canterbury. 2 down, 1 to go. Right, DP number 29, Zach Adkins. Pitched last night against Auckland. North Harbour winning that game to make it into this. Ball in the dirt, 1-0. So it's quite a windy morning here in Christchurch. Hopefully it doesn't play too much havoc with what we're doing, but I believe it's severe weather warning at the moment with this wind coming through. Play resumes as normal. 1-1. One. Whipping around. Strike there. George now finding that zone already. 2-2. Connect with it, we'll go to the shortstop, Jaden Potts, who throws over to James Edmund, and we'll be 3 up, 3 down for that Canterbury side there. So, good start for the home team. First 3 up for Canterbury will be number 4, Jaden Potts, number 8, Bronson Harper, and number 1, Rico Rata. So Big McGuire here pitching for North Harbour, just getting warm. Goes first and pitched. Apart from the wind, it is a gorgeous day here, no real cloud cover. Sun is shining on this Sunday here. So Jaden Potts first to the plate, lead off hitter for the Canterbury side. High one to start, good eye from Jaden. 1-0. Does continue with that, we'll go straight to the shortstop. Wheels trying to get across, but well taken. First baseman MΑORI for North Harbour. So 1 down, 2 to go for the U19. Up steps number 8, Bronson Harper. Good pitch there from Maguire. One to start here. One. There. 1-2. Good pitching here to start off for Maguire. He did not pitch in last night's game. That game was fully pitched by Zach Adkins. So Keegan Maguire nice and fresh for this morning matchup. Good hold there from Thompson. 2-2. Does connect with it. We'll go straight to the second baseman. Routine over the one. Was quite close there though. Good speed from Bronson. Split second behind that defence there from North Harbour. So now 2 down. Up steps Rico Raratu, the ever dangerous third baseman here for Canterbury. Wind is picking up a lot. We've got a lot of sand, a lot of dirt just flying around. 1. Does connect with it, but will fall straight to the third baseman. Throw over to 1. Another routine play there for the North Harbour team. So, top of the second, score remains 0-0. Next 3 up for North Harbour will be Xavier Haddon, Tangaroa King, and Jaden Tapsell. So first up for North Harbour, Xavier Haddon. In the previous game against Auckland last night, he did hit a monster home run. It was a solo home run, so he's got some ability to hit one over the fence. Canterbury need to be wary, but so far so good from both sides defence. But offense lit to fire. High pitch to start. I know. Swing, yeah. 1-1. Good effort to hold back there from Xavier. Connects with it, going center fielder Knockeye is getting underneath it, does well, has space behind him to make the catch. So good connection there from Xavier, but just not enough Vegemite on it to get it over the fence. 1 down for Canterbury, 2 to go. So number 25, Tangaroa King, to the batter's box for North Harbour. On deck will be Jaden Tapsell. Well up and over there. 1-0. Swing and miss. 1-1. A little bit of a late swing, nearly keeps it in. Will go over the fence or alongside the first base. Fine. Another one there from George. 2-2. Timeout called here. Looks like he's rag fell in his back pocket. So just grabbing that one before he sends next pitch down. 2-2. One down, top of the second. For a 0-0 ball game. Swing and miss from Tangaroa King. Third pitch there from Mr. Smith. And now we've got 13, Jaden Tapsell, the shortstop for the North Harbour team. On deck will be the catcher, Demetrius Sim. Attempt for that change up there, just full short. So 1-0. Gets under it. Daniel Dittman's trying to get underneath that ball, but will fall foul into the stands. So 1-1 here for the shortstop. Gets underneath that one as well. So slowly getting his eye in here for Tapsell. 1-2. George Smith just pull something from his bag tricks. Ooh, went for the change up, but again, not enough on it. 2-2. Good eye here so far from Jaden Tapsell. 3-2, first full count of the game. Does swing it, will stay fair, just. Runner will get to one, will get to second, nice and safe there. So just staying along the foul ball line, just fair territory there. So good hit there from Tapsell, will get him to second. And now North Harbour with a runner in scoring position. Up steps number 30, Demetrius Sanf. He's got a huge hit on him. Intentionally walked last night by Auckland. And hit some absolute dingers. But we'll start here for George Smith. 0-1 ahead in the count already. Two. Good spot here for George Smith. Demetrius in that 0-2 hole now. Needs to be patient. And good eyes. Ooh, good hole. Good pitch there from George. Better eyes from Demetrius. Does connect with that, will go foul. Doesn't get enough of it to go straight. Still dangerous hit. And swing and miss there from the catcher. So Canterbury do well. Get out of there North Harbour leave that runner on second. So, bottom of the second now. Canterbury still have keeping it tied there. So, next three up will be Nokai de Marmons Taylor, Romana Kumaroa, and Daniel Dittman.
That's it.
So, Northgate and Romans Taylor up first for Canterbury here. Attempts to put down a bunt, doesn't get his bat out of the way, will be 0-1. He'll definitely want that one back. One here. Oh, does get a good connection, but the second baseman, great glove there from Tamatea. One down, two to go for North Harbour. So excellent there from Tamatea Matatai Hiko Smith. Nice safe glove. And now number 2, Romana Kumaroa. Catcher for the Canterbury side. 0-1. Daniel Dittman is on deck. One. One, two. Does connect with that, but we'll go straight to the third baseman. Throws over the first. There'll be another quick routine out for North Harbour. So moving pretty quickly here. Next one up is number 10, Daniel Dittman. He's had a good tournament so far. I believe he's in top 5 of all batters. Good percentage this tournament. Good eye from Denny. 1-0. Does connect with that wall, fall to the shortstop, throws over to 1. Good infield here from North Harbour, gets that out. So top of the third, rolling through it here. Next 3 up for North Harbour will be MΑΟRI, Tamatea Matatai Hiko Smith, and back to the top of the order with Paora Cooper Nicola. So first up here will be 33, MΑORI, followed by Tamatea and then MAORI. Connects with it, will pop up, second baseman's underneath it, makes the catch. So good there from Brooks and Harper. Wind felt like it slowed down a little bit there, give the Cambridge side a little bit of help, but it will be hard to track those high pop-ups today with how this wind is acting. So quick one there for Canterbury. Up steps number 5, second baseman Tamatea Mātātai Ego Smith. Swings at that one. Good start here for George Smith. Swings at that high one. 0-2. I'm just needs to reset here. Get back into the count. Swings at that one. So 3 pitches, 3 strikes there. Henry now just need one more out and get started with their bats. So back to the top of the order for North Harbour. Number 3, Paola Cooper Nicola to the batter's box now. We'll go straight to the third baseman, Rico Ratu, throws over the green. So very quick 3 and out here for Canterbury. Very sharp. Bottom of the third. Next 3 up will be Samuel Gilchrist, Joshua Snellgar, and then Raikos Iosefo Stowers. So first up here is the left fielder, Sam Gilchrist. Following him will be Joshua Snellgar and then in the gate, Raikos Iosefo Stowers. Late swing, we'll get a foul ball there from Gilly. Wind really picking up now. Connects with that, will pop up. The second baseman gets underneath it. Well, first out for North Harbour there. 1 down, 2 to go. Now the right fielder, Josh Snellgar. Swing and a miss at that high one. 0-1. John Bunt, great bunt put down. He's going to get to first on that. Fantastic bunt put down by Josh Snellgar. North Harbour did not have a chance there. Excellent run. So Canterbury get a runner on first off that front from Josh, and now the DP Lycos with Sepho Stowers to the plate. Big hit this one. Ooh. 0-1. Swing and miss. 0-2. So Rycross facing an 0-2 count here, runner on first. Oh, high one. Well done by the catcher to hold on to that. 1-2 now. Ooh. Connect with that, but will go foul. 1-2 here. So both teams trying to break the deadlock here. Remains 0-0. Bottom of the third. Be some real good games today. Every pitch matters. Swing and miss, runners going for the steal, will be safe. So runner will be safe, but Rycross will be struck out. So one more down for North Harbour. One more to get. So up steps number 4, Jaden Potts. Back to the top of the order for the Canterbury side. High pitch there, well held by the catcher. 1-0 to start for Potsy. Side now. Good eye. 2-0. Side there, 2-1. Right here from Potts. 3-1. Hasn't swung at any yet. Hasn't needed to. The strike did feel the outside, but that's alright. Blue is always right. And he will walk. So fantastic there from Jaden Potts. And let's see him walk to first on a 4-line count. So number 8, Bronson Harper up now for Canterbury side. Runners on both second and first for the red and black. Inside there to the left-hander. Ooh, another inside pitch to the left-hander, had to hop out the way. 2-0. Good patience here from these Canterbury batters. 2 consecutive walks. Looking for a third here. Or nice hit. Tackle run on the board. And high. So I think that will be 5 in a row here from Keegan. So facing a 3-0 count, but Tim may feel like he has the ability to just let it go. Ooh. Well, maybe a little inside, but it's called a strike. 3-1. Good pitch there from King Maguire. Finding that bottom corner. Good hit. Will beat the third baseman. Will be safe. Will be safe. Fantastic running there from Bronson Harper. Third baseman had stepped up a little bit. He chose to go to 1. So North Harbour coach just confirming, wanting to discuss with the Blue at first, but the third baseman, number 3, Paola Kuba-Nicola, stepping up a little bit, decided to get the runner at 1. So the Blues conferring now, double checking the decision. Is safe. So right there from Bronson Harper. Good speed from him. And now Rico Ratu up to the plate. Bases loaded. 2 outs down. Base hit scores here for Canterbury will make break the 0-0 deadlock. So a big moment here for both teams. Ball to start. So Keegan Maguire is going to pull out some fantastic pitching here to get his team out of the sticky situation. 1-1. 1-1. Ooh, great pitching here from Keegan Maguire. Rico Ratu finds himself behind the count, 1-2. Bases loaded for Canterbury. Need something here. Does connect with it. Will go over the head of the shortstop. First runner will get home. Second runner is going for home as well. So Canterbury will score 2 off that dink by Rico Ratu. Fantastic there. Canterbury 2-0 lead now, bottom of the 3rd. Timeout called here. Just dinked it over the shortstop, falling behind him. Able to score 2. So great hit there by Ratu. He'll go all the way to second. And Bronson Harper is now on 3rd. So now Norkai, Demomach, Taylor up to the plate. Another dangerous man here for Canterbury. Swings at that high pitch. Rised a little bit. Swing out there. Gets underneath it though. We'll go foul. Sorry. 0-2 count. Another moment here for Keegan Maguire. Still 0-2 count. Puts one down the middle. Lokai gets hold of it. Oh, but the center fielder slips in the outfield. 2 runners will get home. Nokai with that. So the field is calling that it's stuck in the corner. So we'll work something out here, but the centre fielder slipped in the outfield. He will score the 2. So Canterbury will add 2 on, but North Harbour just want to argue that that ball has sat in front of the fence line. So in a hole potentially or under the fence. If it hasn't, Nokai got home. If it did, he'll be at 2, I believe. But Blue is saying no. So Nokai, unfortunate for the centre fielder, he slipped in the outfield trying to attempt to make the catch. Leads to Canterbury scoring 2 and then calling it in a ditch along the fence line. Put his 2 hands up. But Blue say no. And Nokai gets all the way around. So Canterbury 5-0 now. They were 2 down when Jaden Potts stepped up and they've just scored 5 runners. So Oldman pick it up. 2 to play now. So Canterbury will be riding this, and what a hit from Romana. It's going. That is gone from the catcher. When it rains, it pours. My goodness. What a hit from Kumaroa. And that thing is out of the park. Canterbury now feeling themselves getting into this game now. What a hit. Puts the gold chain on. Now North Harbour have some decisions to make. All of a sudden, 6-0 now. Bottom of the 3rd. And it looks like Keegan Maguire is coming out of the game for North Harbour. And Zach Adkins is going to come pitch in relief. Unfortunately for Keegan, he had a good game, just other things didn't go their way, and then obviously slip in the outfield and miscommunication, and now North Harbour looking to rally, still have that last out to get here, and Daniel Dittmer will be coming up to the plate. Zach Atkins getting his warm-up pitches in. But my goodness, fantastic here from the Canterbury batters. Just suddenly making it a 6-0 game. So now North Harbour replacing their pitcher. Zach Atkins coming in now in relief of Keegan Maguire. 1 out to get, bottom of the 3rd. Canterbury now 6-0 lead. 1-0 to start. One. All to strike. Low zone there. 1-2 here. Demi does well to get peace and stays alive. Swing and a miss. So North Harbour get out here. Zach Atkins comes in, does the job, and now going to the top of the fourth. Suddenly North Harbour find themselves down by 6. So Canterbury need to defend this lead. They can't relax. They need to keep the pressure on here against this North Harbour team, because if you give them an inch, they will take a mile. The next three up for North Harbour will be Will Singer, Zach Atkins, and Xavier Adam. So Moose first up here for North Harbour. We'll sing it. Looking to get the North Harbour bats going. Ooh. 1-0. That ball in the dirt. Connects with it, will go up, pop over into hit the roof. Connects with it, will pop up. Left fielder's getting underneath it, trying to drop back. That will hit the fence. Will Singer's all the way to third now. He's going to stay at third, so a triple hit there by Moose. Sam Gilchrist just didn't judge it, and it kept carrying past him. Just stayed inside the diamond though. One bounce, hitting the back fence. So a fantastic start here from North Harbour, trying to answer that 6-run innings from Canterbury. Zach Atkins now to the plate. Oh no. Fantastic there from Will Singer. He will get all the way to third, and now North Harbour, fantastic opportunity to score a run, start catching up on Canterbury. Good eye here from the pitcher. Wild pitch there. But a little bit late there. Got a 3-0 count. No movement from Will Singer though. And Zach Atkins, great eye there from him. He will have a 4-0 count now. Romana coming to talk to his pitcher. Just getting on the same terms. Up now will be number 9, Xavier Haddon for the North Harbour team. Ooh, call the ball. George Smith trying to find that low zone. So runner on 1 and 3 here for North Harbour. 4 outs to play with here. Connects with it, we'll go straight to the shortstop. Throws over to second, we'll get the runner. Overthrow there, but luckily hits the fencing above the dugout. But will sing it, will get home. So North Harbour get one back. And the runner on 1. So 1 down. Will Singer made it home. Canterbury will get the runner at second. And Xavier will make it to first. So runner on 1, 1 down, 1 run scored, and now Tangaroa King is late. Good pitch there from Smith, 0-1. Canterbury need to stifle this now, put their foot down a little bit on North Harbour, make sure they keep them out of this game.
Gone.
One is gone, and he will be safe. Good running there from number 9. They'll sneak to second. Oh, 2 the count here from Blue. 1 down. All right, out. Another 1 down for Canterbury. Still runner on second. Number 13 up now. Jaden Tapsell. Oh, 1. Connects with it. Will fly out to Gilchrist. It will take 2 bounces, hit the back fence. Xavier will get home. Tapsell's going all the way to third. He's stretching for it. Ooh! Not well taken there by Canterbury. Tapsell, they're all the way. Round 2, 3, and now we've got a 6-2 ball game. Up steps Demetrius. Catch it here for North Harbour. He scores his teammate. Cut that lead to 3. Canterbury need 1 out here. Connects with it, will be fouled. Ooh. Oh, 1. Connects with that. Will stay fierce. So runner will get home. Demetrius will get to first. So Canterbury were having that 6-run go with 2 outs down, and now North Harbour seeing that same enjoyment here with 2 men down. Scoring another one. Suddenly that 6-run lead is cut to 3. 2 down catch rule here for North Harbour, and Jaden Tapsell will be on the base. So that's good fortune there for North Harbour, getting a nice fast runner on the bases. 33, MΑΟRI now to the plate, has a strike for that first pitch. It will pop up, Dittmer's underneath it, makes a catch. So Canterbury do get him out there, but do leak 3 runs. So North Harbour feel pretty good about that, but going into the bottom of the 4th, Canterbury still with that 6-3 lead. Next up for Canterbury will be Sam Gilchrist, Josh Snelgar, and Raikos Iosefo Stowers. So, Sam Gilchrist first up for this Canterbury side, bottom of the fourth. If we get these bats going again after that 6-run inning last at bat for Canterbury. July to start, 1-0. So again, the end of the previous inning, North Harbour brought in a relief pitcher for Keegan Maguire, so Zach Adkins is pitching for the Maroons. One. Inside. Good pitch. 1-2. Yeah, inside there. 2-2. So trying to find that inside zone. Found it a couple times here. Swing and miss from Gilly. So now Josh Snelgar up to the plate. Put a fantastic punt down his last at bat. Looking to get on base again. On deck will be number 12 for Alpha. Low zone there. Cuts underneath it. 0-2. Zach Adkins. Going to find that inside zone strike here again to these right-handers. Was looking for it. It'll be a bit low. But outside. 1-2. Good eye from Josh. Josh. 3-2. Yeah. Sorry, 2-2. Getting ahead of myself. 2-2 for the Canterbury batter. Yep, that is a strike. So 2 down. 1 to get for North Harbour. Rykos Iosefo Stow is up to the plate now. Back out his last at bat. The one down middle from Adkins. Alright, 1-1. Connects with that, will hit low on his bat, pitcher will collect it, grab the one, get the out. So North Harbour do well there to prevent Canterbury from getting on base. And going to the top of the fifth, Canterbury still hold the lead, 6-3. Next three up will be Tamatea, Mātātai, Hiko Smith, Paola, Cooper, Nicola, and Will Singer. First up for the North Harbour team, number 5, double tier, Marta, Nico Smith. Right here. Swing and miss there from Tama. So, Tama finds himself in the 0-2 hole. Good idea. Last at bat, Tama did have a strikeout with a 0-3 count. Avoids it here with 1-2. Swings it. Will go straight to the shortstop. Collects it well. Tama is quick, but well collected and well thrown over by the shortstop Jaden Potts to Daniel Devon. So, top of the order for North Harbour, number 3, Paola Cooper Nicola now to the plate with Will Singer on deck. Paola faces that strike first, so 0-1 count. Top of the 5th. Slower pitch there. Early swing. 0-2. North Harbour want to continue their last innings well here. Scored 3 in the top of the 4th. Ball will pop up and just go hit one of the roofs. So Paola stays alive. So stay alive here, number 3. Still has an 0-2 count though. One wrong move and he will be out. Good idea. 1-2 to count here. Low on. So good recovery here by Paola. Manages to catch up in the count with 2-2. Does swing that one. Stays in. 2-2 still. Fantastic work here by the leadoff batter, number 3, Paola Cooper Nicola. Made his way all the way back from 0-2 to 3-2. So now, George Smith running his bag of tricks. Connects with it, but will go to Rico Ratu, who makes a stretch and jump to take it. Great throw over Daniel, maybe a little low, but Daniel may be able to collect it. Paola does not make it to base. Absolute stretch there from the third baseman. Apex of his jump, collects it, throws it over to first base. Daniel did have to come down to get it a little bit, but all good for the Canterbury infield. So now, Moose, Will Singer up to the plate. Had a triple his last at bat. He is dangerous. In the tournament, he against Hutt Valley, North Harbour, he did win the game with a walk-off double home run. So he is quite the player with the bat. 1-1. Two-one here. 3-1 here. George keeping it away from the centre of the plate. Will wants it a little bit closer to him. Here's one. Will go foul over the Canterbury dugout. So full count here for Moose. Oh, good hit, taken by Jaden Potts. Throws it over. Essentially was caught, but threw it over the one just in case. Was hit well hard there, but Jaden Potts, no flinch, takes it well and throws it over 2-1. So bottom of the fifth now. Canterbury looking to extend that 6-3 lead against North Harbour. Next three up will be Jaden Potts, Bronson Harper and Rico Ratu. So there was a defensive change for Canterbury. Blake Knighton came in to replace Sam Gilchrist. So we'll see him hopefully this innings with the bat. But just to repeat that one, Sam Gilchrist came out and Blake Knighton came in. So, getting going, the bottom of the fifth inning here. First up, Jaden Potts. Connects with that, we'll go to the third baseman, throws it over the one. Nice, simple routine play there. One down already, two to get. Up steps Bronson Harper. Was walked his last at bat. Did have a walk, sorry. Good eye there. 1-0. Ooh, that was the one to swing at, maybe a little late there. 1-1. Good pitching here from the North Harbour pitcher, Zach Adkins. Had come in relief for Keegan Maguire. So 1-2 here for the second baseman, Canterbury. Ooh, picks it up, but will go foul. So, Harbour stays alive. Good eye, 2-2. We need to create more of that safety blanket. North Harbour can all of a sudden put together a few runs here. So, just want to get it a little bit further out of team up North's grasp. Good North Island, South Island mix up here today. Both teams vying for a place in the grand final here. Whoever wins here will play Counties Monaco in the final at 1 p.m. and the loser of this game will finish third for the tournament. So for the loser of this game, that'll be it for the day. Good eye here. Pitch here, bit outside. North Harbour fans not too happy, but has been consistently called. 3-2 here for Johnson. Good pitch there by Atkins. Picks up the batter. That third strike. So 2 down, 1 to get for North Harbour. Ever dangerous. Rico Ratu now to the plate. Pitch comes in, strike there. 0-1. Good eye, 1-1. Picks that one up, will go onto the roof of the North Harbour dugout, so no opportunity to pick it up. 1-2 the count here. The count here for Rico Ratu, third baseman for the Kennedy side. North Harbour need that one out to move into the top of the 6th. Will pop up, first baseman's underneath it, we'll get that last out. So, top of the 6th now, still score remains 6-3 in favour of Canterbury. And North Harbour now trying to take the lead back. So Zach Adkins will be first up with Xavier Haddon and Tangaroa King following him. So a couple changes will be coming in here for North Harbour, but once we know them, we will let you know. Again, that change for Canterbury, Blake Knighton coming in at left field for Sam Gilchrist. So the pitcher, Zach Adkins here, swings and misses. Ooh, just a little dink will beat the catcher, but does not have the legs to get to one. So little dink will beat George Smith, but will fall to the second baseman, who rips it over to first, and Zach Adkins will be out there. So 1 down, 2 to go for Canterbury. Xavier Haddon now. He's had some great hits over the whole tournament. Hit a good one before in his last at bat. Good eye there to start for him. 1-0. Good swing forward there, so 2-1 for Xavier. Fantastic patience here from Haddon. 3-1 the count here for him. Good there. Will walk to first on that 4-1 count. 1 down, 2 to go. So change here for North Harbour will be number 1, Jackson Gerby's coming in for Tangaroa King. So strike 1 to start for his first at bat. So again, number 1, Jackson Gerby's comes in for Tangaroa King, potentially fully and not just a pinch hitter. Swing there. So 0-2, finds himself down now. Needs to work back up here to get even with the count. George Smith pitches one outside. 1-2. Gets a piece of it. Stays alive. Was a good one to get his bat to. 1-2, 1 down. Runner on first. Top of the 6th. Canterbury up 6-3. Let's get a piece of that one as well. Connects with that one. It's going. The centre fielder's trying to get across, but it'll split both left fielder and centre fielder. One bounce hit the back fence. Xavier Haddon gets all the way home. And what a hit from Jackson Gerby's. Gets him all the way around the third and scores his teammate. So now the score is 6-4. Jackson, what a substitution there from the North Harbour coaching staff. Bringing him in. And now number 13, Jaden Tepsel to the plate, the shortstop for this North Harbour team. So score now is 6-4 in favour of Canterbury. Good pitch there from George Smith. Little change up. One. Connects with that, we'll go foul. 1-2 here. Next with a good line drive. Runner will get home. Ball will go out to the centre fielder. Throws it into second. Ooh. Bronson Harper not able to collect it. Potentially could have got the out if he did. And time called here by Canterbury. 1 run separates the two teams. 1 out down. Canterbury coaches talking with their good innings here from George Smith, who will be replaced by the catcher, number 2. Pitch lead here. Or, sorry, I believe Jaden Potts maybe coming in to catch with Romana moving to shortstop. We will see here. Just awaiting changes, but obviously players have to get gear on, change cleats, etc., etc. So changing catcher here. Number 11, Maddox Renault will come in to catch for Canterbury. So Jaden Potts now will be pitching for the Canterbury side. I believe Romana Kumaroa will move to shortstop in replacement of Jaden. And Maddox Renault will come to catch for Jaden Potts. So a bit of a change up here for Canterbury. Jaden Potts moves to pitcher. Maddox Renault will come to catch, and the catcher Romana will move to shortstop in replacement of Jaden. So looks like we're getting going. So Maddox Renault comes in to catch now. Romana moves to shortstop. Jaden Potts comes to the pitch, and George Smith is brought out. So now a big number 30, Demetrius Stamp. Very dangerous man in the batter's box. He's been hitting well all tournament. He's got a runner on second. Will be the tying run if they can get him home. 1 out down. Ball pop up. Runner will get to third on that. So 1-0. North Harbour have a tying run on third if they need it. So we'll Jaden Potts pitching now for the Canterbury side. Connects with it. Oh, does not beat Rico Rado. Throws over 2-1. They'll get the out at 1. Fantastic fielding here by third baseman Rico Rado. Looked like it was hit hard enough to beat him, but good reaction speed from him. Runner does not move from third, so Canterbury stopped that one from happening. And now 2 outs down. Up steps number 33, Noah Reid. North Harbour still have that tying run on third. What a reaction from Rico Ratu. All there. 1-0. One good eye here from Noah. 2-0 the count. On deck is Tamatea Matata Higo Smith, and the gate will be Paola Kuka Nicola. Swing and miss. Good pitch there from Putzi. 1-2-1 the count. Swing and miss. So 2-2 is the count here for MΑORI. Jaden does have one to play with. Now full time to step out and reset. It's a big moment here in the game. Playing run on third. 2 outs down, 2-2. Swinging and miss. Jaden Potts does a fantastic job here. And North Harbour leave that runner on third. So, bottom of the 6th, Canterbury opportunity here to extend that lead, make more of a challenge for North Harbour in the top of the 7th. But here, Canterbury still need to do their job. 1 run will not be enough here. They need to put a couple on the board to feel a bit better about their situation. So, next 3 up for Canterbury will be Mokai, Jamal Taylor, Romana Kumaroa, and Daniel Dittman. So Tangaroa King has re-entered, so obviously Jason Gerbies did come into pinch hit for Tangaroa King, so Tangaroa has re-entered and no other changes as far as we can see. So first up here is Mokai Jamal Taylor for Canterbury. On deck will be Romana, and in the gate Daniel Dittman. Good eye here to start for Nokai. Ooh, high one there. Released a little late, but no damage done. Will just be a 2-0 count. Does connect, but will go straight to the pitcher. Unfortunate there. Good reaction speed from Zach. 1 down, 2 to go. Up steps Romana Kumaroa. His last at bat hit a bomb over the fence. Looking to repeat that again. Add to Canterbury's lead. Ooh, yep, it did hit him. Just nicked his elbow. So Romana gets a free base there. And now Daniel Dittmer to the plate. So, run a change here from Dan Wheeler, the coach of the Canterbury side. Number 3, Devon Hardy will come in to pinch run for Canterbury. Excellent work by Romano to get on base. So hit by the pitch, but it still counts. And then timeout called by coach. Yep, alright, good to go. Daniel Dittmer to the plate. So Dan Wheeler must have a plan here for his Canterbury side. Going to get that runner on first home. One out down, 2 to go, bottom of the 6th. Canterbury only lead by 1. Does connect with that one. A little late. We'll go out of the park. Hit the roof of the van. Hopefully the rental companies don't check the roof. So now we've got an 0-1 count. Puts a bunt down, great bunt down. First baseman stepped up to it, throws it over 1, but runner will advance. So Dan does a job, moves the runner, but now 2 down. Runner on second for Canterbury, and now Blake Knighton, number 9, first at bat of the day, did come in to replace Sam Gilchrist. So a fresh batter for Atkins to pitch to here. Puts down a bunt, attempted 2. Will go foul. 0-1 to count. Swing there from Knighton. Will just miss it. So, 0-2. Let's see what Zach Atkins pulls out of his pocket here. It's going to need to be a good pitch. Get North Harbour. Ooh, swing and miss from Knighton. So, North Harbour going into the top of the 7th. Need a run to tie it. Have to score or the game will be over. So North Harbour fans, get your rally caps on. Get your support behind these players. Canterbury needs to do a defensive job here. Need to tighten up and let nothing through. So it's now never for both teams playing for the right to play Counties Manukau in the grand final at 1. The losing team will finish 3rd at the U19 tournament. Next 3 up will be Tamatea Matatai Hiko Smith, Aora Cooper Nicola, and Will. So, Jaden Potts again pitching here for Canterbury. Tamatea up for North Harbour. Now we'll never for both teams. Top of the 7th, North Harbour must score to keep the game alive. Good start for the team in maroon. 1-0. Connects with it. We'll go straight to the shortstop. Romano throw over 2-1. Good take there by Daniel Dittmer. And Canterbury get 1. Under Omana moved there from catcher. They've been playing catcher for 5 innings and got moved out there at the bottom of, well, the end of the 5th inning. So tested there, does well, throw over to Dan. Dan has done a fantastic job at 1. Pitch comes in here for Paola. Will hit the base and bounce up. No damage done, there's no runners on bases. So Harbour 2 outs to use, but believe me, every run this game has come with 2 men down. So let's see here, good pitch there from Potts. So again, both of these teams looking for that other spot in the grand final. Oh, pulled a strike there. 1-2. Swings at that, cuts it, stays alive. Wild pitch beats Maddox 2-2. So 2-2 to count here for Paola. Wants to get on base. Give North Harbour that opportunity to tie it. Swings at that one. Will go up and over the Canterbury dugout into the brand new building site here at Canterbury Soccer. We've got a brand new training facility, should be done in July. We'll be able to train year round here, so looking forward to having that built. Now, for the next pitch. Paola doing well, staying alive here, doing his job. Forcing a lot of pitches out of here from Jaden. Gets underneath that one, will go foul. Probably didn't need to swing at it, but hey, he stays alive. Like, it was pretty damn low there, but that is still there. 1 out down, 2 to go. Canterbury need it here. So the pitch count for Paola is sitting at about 7 or 8. Ooh, hits it. Weird bounce there, just spinning, and Paola gets to first. I believe it hit his handle, had the weirdest spin on it, spun away from Jaden Potts, trying to get a clean take on it, but spins away from him. Fantastic there for North Harbour. So get a run on 1. 1 out down. Need to get something going here to get him home. Now, dangerous hitter here for North Harbour. Number 37, Will Singer to the plate. Ooh, swing and miss. Good change up there from Pottsy. Will Singer did hit a walk-off 2-run homer in the matchup against Hutt Valley. Obviously in the top of the 7th here, but looking to do the same. Does connect with that. That one is going. It is gone. Will Singer hits it over the fence to score 2 for North Harbour, and suddenly they find themselves in the lead over Canterbury. 6-7 now. So Moose with a monster of a hit. And now Canterbury find themselves behind for the first time in the game. North Harbour Harbour leaving it late, but now are ahead by 1. Canterbury have a job to do. Get out here. Zach Adkins now the pitcher to the plate. 29. The pitcher. And out down. Good start here for Canterbury in this at bat. Ooh, good pitch there from Potsy. 0-2 count. Zach Adkins not so happy about the call. Blue's always right. Same spot called. So, good recovery here from the Canterbury side. 1 more out to get. And now to the plate, Xavier Haddon. Congadole King all on deck. Good pitch from Potsy here. 0-1. Canterbury need to get this final out so they can try to win the game in the bottom of the 7th. There, 1-1. Swing and miss there from the right fielder. 1-2. One more good pitch here from Jaden Potts will get Canterbury out of this and going into the bottom of the 7th. No one in dirt. Good patience here from Xavier. 2-2. Strike was the correct spot, was called on the previous 2 strikes with Zach Adkins. So Canterbury do get him out, but they drop 2 runs. So now Canterbury fans, get your rally caps on. They need 1 run to tie it, 2 will walk off the game. This is what dreams are made of here for that last spot in the grand final to play Counties Manukau. North Harbour need everything out of their defence. It's now or never. Next 3 up for Canterbury will be Josh Snelgar, Rykos, Iosefov, Stalwis, and number 4, Jaden. So, first up in this rally for Canterbury is Josh Snelgar. Bottom of the 7th, so it's now or never here for the Canterbury side. 1 run ties it, 2 run wins it. Start to start, 0-1. On that outside pitch, 0-2. Zach Adkins pulling out all the stops here in this final inning. swings at that pitch. Will be struck out. One down. 2 left for Canterbury. Rykos Yosefo Stowers now to the plate. Has struck out his last 2 at-bats. Now looking to change that. And get on base. Swing there, 0-1. Aggressive here from the Canterbury batters. Need to get a man on base to have this chance at tying the ball game. Good eye, good hold from the DP. 1-1. Good. 2-1. Head in the count now for the DP. Needs to be patient. Another long one. Fantastic patience here from Rykos. 3-1. Get on base here. All the benefit to the Canterbury side. Ooh, close call there. 3-2 now for the number 12. DP for Canterbury. Something's got to give here between these two. Does connect with it. It's going. Xavier Haddon getting across to it. Will catch it. So 2 down. 1 remaining here in this semi-final. The winner of this game going to the grand final to play counties, and the loser will finish 3rd at the tournament. So North Harbour coach coming out to chit-chat with his pitching staff, with his infield, make sure everyone's on the same boat, what they need to watch out for these different Canterbury hitters. Back to the top of the order, so Jaden Potts with 2 outs down has a job to do. Canterbury now leaning on top of the order. We've got some fantastic hitters coming up, and the last time they scored runs was with 2 outs down, so they have done it in the game. Nothing to say they can't do it here. So up steps number 4, Jaden Potts. Tough ball there by Blue. 0-1. Potts is not happy about it. Time called by Blue. Jaden Potts not happy about these 2 calls. So 0-2 count, 2 outs down, bottom of the 7th. Strike here wins it for North Harbour. It's called a strike, so 0-3 count. Harbour win the game. They get revenge against Canterbury and will go into the grand final against Counties Monaco. So the grand final will be North Harbour versus Counties. Canterbury unable to get the rally going in the bottom of the 7th. So congratulations to North Harbour, and unfortunately for the home team, will finish 3rd. Great, fantastic matchup between these 2 top teams. So thank you to all that joined us, but good battle here by both these teams in different shades of red. The emotion tie, unfortunate there for the home team, but congratulations to North Harbour who going to the grand final. That will be at 1 PM here on Diamond 1. We'll have all the streaming, everything you need here. So